Hey good people, welcome to Ballards by Design. Y'all, it has finally cooled off in the great state of Texas and I could not wait to get something warm going. This is a quick and easy crock pot meal, taco soup y'all. Doesn't that look delicious? It's nice and hearty to feed your family or for meal prep you can freeze some for later. But let me show y'all how I do it, okay? Let's get started. Okay, as you can see, I've already browned my ground turkey. You can use ground turkey or ground beef. The seasonings I'm going in with is ground cumin. And y'all, I season with my heart, so I'll leave some measurements in the description box, okay? Also, chili powder. I have the chipotle chili pepper powder also. And then I'm going in with some roasted garlic powder and some onion powder. And of course, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some salt. Now, y'all, I like to add my tomatoes to my meat mixture with the juice, okay, y'all? So I'm adding some petite diced tomatoes, and then I'm also going to add some diced tomatoes with green chilies, okay? And remember, don't drain those. Go ahead and mix them in with the juice, okay? And I just like to just get that heated through, and then I set it to the side so that we can start adding everything to our crock pot. All right, and so this is how we're looking once everything is, kind of mixed together. Now for the beans, y'all, you can kind of customize it to whatever beans you like. I'm using chili beans, light kidney beans with the juice, okay? Don't drain those. All right, I also have some black olives. Now those I did drain, okay? Also, I have some ranch style beans. We like the jalapeno ones. Leave the juice, all right? I have 2 cans of those, okay? And then I have some crushed tomatoes. That's the large can. I believe that is 28 ounces. And then I have 2 cans of corn, y'all. And you do want to drain that. And then also some ranch dressing mix, okay? I'm gonna use 2 packets. So we're just gonna dump everything into our crock pot. And it doesn't matter the order that you put everything in. You just put everything in there. Like I said, this is so easy, y'all. It's really a dump and go type of meal. And in case I didn't tell y'all, because I don't think I did, my crock pot is set for 4 hours and it is set on high heat, okay? Just so y'all know. You can put this on low if you want to start it when you leave for work or whatever. Or if you want it to go a little bit faster, you can do like I'm doing. Put it on 4 hours on high, okay? Or you can cook it 8 hours if need be on low. Now I've added all of my canned goods to the crock pot, and now I'm adding that meat mixture with my tomatoes, okay? Then you're gonna want to just give that a stir to get everything mixed together. Now, once you get everything mixed in fairly well, you're going to add in your ranch dressing mix, okay? I like to use 2 packets. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and dump those right on top and then mix that in as well. See, when I tell y'all this comes together so quickly, I mean, this is really a set it and forget it meal. It doesn't get any easier than this, you guys. Okay, and so this is how it looks now, okay? It still looks pretty thick, but once it cooks down, it's going to get a little bit juicier and become more like a soup. But you guys, you can kind of use what you like in this. If you don't like tomatoes, you can omit those. If you don't like olives, you can omit it. If you like black beans, you can add it, y'all. This is really customizable to however you want your soup to be. But that's it. I'm going to go ahead and put this lid on and let it cook. And voila, it is done. See, it got a little juicier, y'all. Okay. And now I'm just going to load this bowl up for my husband. Now, you can pretty much garnish this soup with whatever you like. We like to do ours with Fritos. And so I'm going to add Fritos. You can add them to the bottom, you can add them to the top, however you like. But this is what I did. So I went ahead and put some Fritos at the top, and I did mix some in the soup. I also used jalapeno peppers, sour cream, and some shredded cheese.
With the glass bowl, you could see it all. Look at that. Taco soup.
Yes.
Man, will you look at that? Now that is a proper, whoa, was a proper spoonful.
You bless?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
This is what you want after being in the yard all day. This is very good. I like the crunch of the chips, the heat from the jalapenos. One for you,
cream,
family.
Green onions and cheese on top.
Compliments to the chef. It's good, family. You gotta try it.
Alright, that's it, y'all. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, share, and we'll catch y'all on the next video. Love y'all big. Bye.